everyone, it's April from OTH Crochet Nook, and today we're going to be making the Easy Textures blanket using the Bernat Alize Blanket Easy yarn with loops built in. You don't need any needles or hooks, just your hands. So let's get started. For this project, the end of the yarn is actually going to be all the way to the right. We're going to be working from left to right. Before you get started, make sure all your loops are facing upwards. You're going to be counting 70 loops. On the 70th loop, you're going to turn it to the left. Pull your working yarn from the back to the front. Here's a closer look. Turn your loop to the left and pull your working yarn from the back to the front. Just like that. You're going to be doing that till the end of the row. So at the end of the row, you should have 70 loops. Once you've reached the end, the last stitch you worked, go ahead and twist that to the left, but bring your working yarn to the front, pulling it through from the front to the back. So go ahead and twist the next stitch to the left and pull your working yarn from the front to the back. You're going to continue this way all the way down to the end of the row, again with 70 loops. Now once you've completed that row, and you've done it twice, we are on to the 5th row. The first 6 stitches will now be worked this way. You turn the loop to the left and pull the working yarn from the back to the front. This will be worked for the first 6 stitches only. Once you've completed all 6, make sure to recount that you've only done the first 6 stitches. Now the next stitches will be worked this way in row 5. Cross the stitches together and pull your working yarn from the back to the front. Again, the next 2 stitches, cross them over and pull your working yarn from the back to the front. You're going to continue this way all the way down the row, leaving 6 remaining stitches at the end. So with the 6 remaining stitches, you'll be doing just what you did at the beginning of the row. Twist it to the left and bring the working yarn from the back to the front. And there is row 5 complete. Row 6 will work this way. The first 6 stitches will be worked with the working yarn in the front. Twist the loop to the left and pull the working yarn from the front to the back. Again, this is only for the first 6 stitches. Twist the yarn to the left and pull the working yarn from the front to the back. Again, make sure that you've only done 6 stitches. Now, for the rest of the row, you're going to be bringing the working yarn to the back of the project. And just bring all your loops from the back to the front. No twisting here. This row works up very quickly. And once you've reached the end and done that, the last 6 remaining stitches in row 6 will work just like the first ones. Bring your working yarn back to the front, twist the loop to the left, and bring your working yarn from the front to the back. Again, just the 6 stitches that are left in that row. And that's row 6 complete. You're going to be repeating row 5 and row 6 for the rest of the project. until the length of about 56 inches approximately. or until as big as you want it. Once you've done that, at the end of the rows, you're going to be repeating row 3 and 4 twice. You're going to bind it off by adding a new piece of working yarn and pulling all the loops through every loop. Now we're going to bind it off neatly by pulling the first loop through the second loop, the second through the third through the fourth, and so on. You're going to be doing that until the end of the row to give a very neat and seamless bind off. Now once we reach the end, I usually just pull the tail right through the loop, and just with my fingers I weave it through just to hide it. Then we're just going to cut off the excess yarn, and guess what? We're finished. There's the Easy Textures blanket. Thanks for watching.